Within 5 minutes of entering a woodland, if you slow down, become mindful, open your senses, so really tuning into what you see, you hear, you feel, you smell, you taste, touch, also how you feel, tuning into how your body is beginning to awaken as you become present, because nature is a co-regulator. Nature, when you slow down, will help you move from your thoughts, from a mind, a brain that is busy, and slowly you come into the present moment. And when you do that, you begin to see all of the patterns, the beauty, the awe that can be experienced by simplicity. And then you realize that this is always here. This is always around me, but I don't notice it. And so that's what can happen when you come into a woodland and you slow down.